What's up, YouTube? Carbs and Curbs here. We're in the kitchen again today. We're going to be making some oversized bagel bites or pizza bagels for the First National Bagel Company. Plain bagels. We got Crystal Farms cheese. We got Hormel pepperonis. And we got pizza sauce from my local Devani's. Before we get into it, like, comment, share, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell for notifications of new content. What you're going to need before we get into this is you're going to need to preheat your oven to 375. You're going to need a 9x13 baking pan. You're going to need bagels of your choice, obviously, aforementioned. And you can always use your own cheese or pepperonis or whatever toppings you like, or sauce as well. And apply a liberal amount of sauce. Each one. Say a full tablespoon. Might have to carefully ladle that on there for the ones with the holes in the middle. Get a little bit of sauce on the pan, that's okay too. Or on your counter while you're trying to do this. Mistakes happen. Also, the cheese is going to spread out the sauce as well. You can press down on the cheese. Get that sauce spread out evenly enough. Get a nice pinch of cheese for each one. If you like less sauce, you can put less sauce on there. Like more cheese, more sauce, load it up there. Can't really go wrong. That's why this is a fun recipe to do. And you can do this a bunch of times too. I barely use half of this bag of cheese. I didn't hold back on the cheese with these at all. Quick throw some pepperonis on there. Put this in the oven. Like I said, you're going to want maybe 10 to 15 minutes on these in the oven. I have an older oven, so the temperature fluctuates a bit. So I'm going to have to come up here in 10 just to make sure that they're not burning. But that's my final guesstimation. It's 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see how they look. Here we go. Ooh, pot pie too. Those look plenty done. That was hot. Oh, there they are. Got a little bit of cheese burnt. That's okay, like I said. They are perfectly done. You can definitely use a spatula to pull those off the pan. Like I said, they are very hot. You're gonna wanna let these cool for about 10 minutes. Perfect fun and easy snack to make for you or a group of your friends. Great for parties, get-togethers. That pretty much wraps it up today in the kitchen. Another quick recipe from Carbs and Curbs. I wanted to share this one for a while. I love making these. Let me know in the comments below what kind of ingredients you like to put on your own pizza bagels. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, support your local. Thanks for watching.